Hey guys, welcome back. So for today's video, I will be doing a skincare routine using Standard Beauty products. Now, I've just recently started using Standard Beauty like 2 months ago, so my skin is still easing into the process of things, but this is the first time I use a skincare brand and not break out like crazy, because the last time I tried this viral skincare brand, I forgot what it was called. New Skin. I tried New Skin and my skin completely broke out. Now, I'm not saying that it's a bad brand, but there are people who can use New Skin and their skin comes out gorgeous. I'm not one of those people. So I have really sensitive skin and Standard Beauty products don't irritate that. So let's get right into it. I really just woke up, so I haven't washed my face. I decided to do it with you guys. So I'm gonna go in first with this African Botanics bar soap and wash my face with it. I feel like it works better than most bar soaps because I have really oily skin, so it really clears all that oil out. I really feel like I washed my face after using this bar soap. So I think it's the cleansing range. The box is blue. And after that, I'm gonna go in with the Star Power Salicylic Acid Exfoliating Polish from Standard Beauty. So this is what we're using after. So the product does tell me that I need to wash my face first. So it says use 1 to 2 times weekly after washing your face, because it's not necessarily a face wash, more of a skin polish face scrub. So let's get into washing my face. I don't think I can get that on camera. I'm gonna do that quickly and I'll be right back. Okay, face wash with the African Botanics bar soap. Now I'm going in with this Salicylic Acid Exfoliating Polish. When I saw it on their Instagram page, I saw the jojoba seeds were green, so I was hoping this was green as well, but it isn't. But you can feel the seeds, obviously. I mean, what's the scrub without feeling the scrub, right? So I'm just gonna go in with this. Don't even have to use that much. So more scrubbing, less talking. I'm gonna wipe my face with this face rag that I bought from Standard Beauty as well. I've realized, or I have grown to realize, that you need to have a different rag from the one you bought with and the one you wipe your face with and the one you wipe your face with needs to have soft bristles or whatever. So this, I got it from Standard Beauty. I was hoping it would have their name brand stitched on it, but it didn't. I'm gonna wet this with cold water and I dab it on my face. So it's wet, super cold. This is very helpful because we're well into summer, so I burn up quite a lot, and I'm just trying to, every time when I go outside and I get hit by the heat, I try to rinse out my face with super cold water. So this is like me doing it when I wake up with this cold rag. Okay, so now that I'm done with this, I'm gonna go in with the toner. Standard Beauty has their own toner, and it is the Salicylic Acid BHA 2% toner. I don't necessarily put a drop of the stuff on there. I literally just dump it on the thing, the cotton pad, and then I just use it on my face, just in circular motions, because I feel like it's more effective. And I use toner on a daily, bro. I washed my face last night. Now I'm gonna go in with the Standard Beauty Pigmentation Buster Mask. I bought this obviously not for my birthmark, but I bought it for the marks that I have on my skin. My skin didn't necessarily recover from the pimples because I still have dark marks from the pimples, so I'm just trying to get rid of that, and I'm thinking this could help because it's also brightening serum. We need that too. Not serum, brightening gel mask. So this is how it looks like on the inside. It's almost finished, and it is a fruit acid blend. So I'm going to try to apply this quickly, just a little bit on the face. Okay, so now I'm gonna let this sit for 10 minutes and I'll be back to continue the rest of the routine. So it's been 10 minutes. It kind of dried up in some areas. It's still wet in some areas because it's thicker there. So I'm just gonna wash this out with water, soap. And then I will start off with my serums. So I washed it off. My skin feels amazing, but we need to moisturize and hydrate. So I learned on the Standard Beauty page that when you use serums, you need to hydrate and moisturize. So to hydrate, you need a water-based serum and then oil-based serum. So I bought the hyaluronic acid serum. It's for all skin types. Extreme moisture plumbing effect. And this is a water-based serum, and then I'm gonna go in with this. Okay, I'm not gonna do this now because the vitamin C serum I like to use at night because it's super oily and it's like a night serum. But I bought the vitamin C serum because face marks, I'm trying to get rid of them, the dark marks, and I read that this helps combined with the hyaluronic acid. So the hyaluronic acid is enough for now. I don't use a lot, literally 3 drops are enough. So drop here, and I like to drop it here where I see the marks basically, and then I just I'm gonna take the Standard Beauty Wash Your Stone and just glide it over the serum. Apparently this helps the serum, I don't know, absorb into your skin better, and it's good for, it's like when you drink collagen, the same benefits you drink collagen for your skin. This also helps with that as well. So I use this every morning just to get rid of my puff and just to feel better about applying the serum on my skin, because this makes everything glide into my skin properly. Now that we're done, I'm gonna put on my face cream for the day. It's a Discount brand Aqua's cream, so I'm just gonna put this on my skin. Literally not a lot because I don't want my skin to look oily all day. And all done. So I don't usually use the face mask. This was just a weekend routine because I need to make sure I do it every weekend. So usually it's without the mask, but today was different obviously. But Other than that, that's the overall skincare routine. If or for anyone who is watching this with doubts, questions about Standard Beauty, I will try to answer some questions that I would think that you guys do have or would have. Standard Beauty is not a scam. Standard Beauty is really affordable. And Standard Beauty does deliver very quickly. Actually, the last time I ordered this, I ordered the same on Wednesday and got it on Friday. It was Friday or Thursday. Standard Beauty is on Uber Eats now, so they opened a store. I forgot the location. The Standard Beauty products, the serums and the skin toners, they actually tell you which products not to mix it with. So if you scroll down to the end of the product information when you're about to buy, it can tell you combinations. It shows you combination, what to combine with and what to not combine it with. So you can do that as well, just to be safe. Thank you guys for watching again. I appreciate your support. If this is the first time you see my face, go ahead and click on that pause button, click on the subscribe button and the notification bell so you get notified every time I post new content. And to the rest of y'all, go and click on the like button and comment down below what you think of the skincare routine. Don't really care, but let me know if you would like for me to drop a night skincare routine. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys next time.